Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Using Acrobat, you can create an interactive PDF form from a JPEG or other type of image file. This feature is helpful when you want to convert a paper form into an electronic smart form but do not have a scanner available. Using a digital camera, your computer's camera, or even a cell phone camera, you can take a photo of a paper form and then convert the photo into an interactive PDF. This feature is also helpful when you receive a form as an email image attachment. You can convert the image into a smart form, fill the form out using your computer, and then return the form as an attachment to the email. This eliminates the need to print the form, saving time and money. To create an interactive PDF form from an image, select the Prepare Form tool from the Tools Center or the Tools pane. The Prepare Form screen then appears. Click the Select a File link to launch the open dialog box. Navigate to find and select the image that you want to convert. Then click the Open button. The dialog box closes and the Prepare Form screen changes to reflect your selection. If you want the form to contain a signature field, check the checkbox marked "This document requires signatures." To convert the image, click the Start button. Depending on the complexity of the operation, Acrobat may display a progress bar during the conversion. Once the operation is finished, the newly created form appears. When converting image files to interactive forms, keep in mind that Acrobat looks for visual clues when it determines where to apply form elements. You may find that while Acrobat has correctly interpreted some text fields, others were not recognized during the conversion process. Using the editing tools found in the Forms toolbar and Forms pane, you can manually add whatever elements were not detected during the conversion. We'll learn more about Acrobat's form editing tools over the next several lessons.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.